Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will tell you how to write a VBA code in macro Excel file wherein in each second the timer will get updated at the very first cell. So for that, let's get started. So let's open up an Excel file. So we will be saving this file as a macro enabled file at our desktop only. Let's say desktop, and this would be a macro enabled workbook. Click save. Now in the developers tab, if you do not have a developers tab, then you need to do some tiny steps like going to the files, in the options, in the trust center or the customized ribbon, and then you need to tick this developer. And also you need to check that in the trust center settings your macro settings is enabled and this particular checkbox is ticked wherein you trust the access to the VBA. Okay, after clicking OK, in the developers tab we would be writing the macro code. Let's say we will give the name of that particular function of timer as timer only, and then we will click on create. Now in the worksheet, which one is the worksheet's name? The worksheet name is sheet number 1. We will be activating that particular worksheet, worksheets, and the sheet name is sheet 1. We would activate it by dot activate function, and then we will choose the range, that is A1. So we want the timer to be represented here. Then we will enter the range in which we want to display the timer. Dot value. What is the value that you want to display? We want to display the time, that is now. And then what we want to do is we want to call this particular timer function again and again in every second. For that, what we will have to do is we need to use the method that is application dot on time. Dot on time now, plus we want to call it at the interval of 1 second. So we have to give the time value as 1 second. Okay. And which function we want to call again and again? This is the particular function which we are in, which is the name is timer. So we are calling it again. And then we will be saving this particular macro module and try to run this. Run. And if you see, your code would be increasing at every second interval. And if you're not able to see that particular here, we can also format our cell to time, let's say like this, and the time would be updated every second. So that is how you can do that macro code.